everybody, my name is Konark Wadhwa. I run a firm called as Brintex. We also have a YouTube channel called as Decor Anthem, so we are famous by Brintex Decor Anthem. People, since there are a lot of options in laminates, across brands, Greenlam, Royal Touch, Merino, Century, people try to match these glass shutters with those laminates. And since Slido has a lot of these colors available in the metal, we're able to use their options and match them with the laminates that people have picked up. I would like to also talk about the kind of experience that we've had with them. The store, the display that they have in Hyderabad is really beautiful. The kind of experience that people get, the kind of responses that people get when they walk into their stores, our clients, has been really superb. Team at Slido that our clients would like to walk into your store, the kind of onboarding is really good, and people come out being very satisfied. And after the quotation has been given, clients okay the pricing, we give a very specific timeline, whatever 10 days or 20 days that they generally promise, it could go up for certain. Post that, we've hardly had any issues. If there are any small glitches that we face, they're immediately able to address it, and we are really happy about that. I think the kind of solutions that Slido has brought to the table are very unique. 5 years we've been using Slido. Our clients have been super happy. Feature they have which protects the lock these shutters across, that brings in a great USP. A lot of customers have demanded it, and Slido has been able to give it. We would have had more than 50 customers who've used Slido, and that's a big number. We're happy to support Slido in all of our upcoming projects. All the best.